Hi, I have my timer in 2 minutes or less. Let's see if I can beat this before it goes off. I'm going to tell you some things to help you organize your Christmas concert or your winter concert or your December concert or whatever you call it at your school. So at my school, we have about 420 students. Every student is on the stage with their class and also once on the stage with the finale. The whole school comes and does a finale. If the students are in grade 4 or 5, they also have the opportunity to be in the choir. So there's another opportunity for them to do a performance. So they may be 3 times on the stage. From beginning to end, 1 hour maximum. That is my goal. It is always my goal. Nobody wants to spend a long time at a Christmas concert. You don't, your kids don't, your parents don't. They all just want to go and enjoy their child and then take them and go home. I start my concerts at 6:30 so that the younger students are not up too late and it gets everybody home at a reasonable time. So there's some parameters there. When I'm preparing for my concert, I combine classes. So I have 3 kindergarten or grade primary classes singing together. This is an important thing because your primary students are your early find your singing voice kind of thing. They have smaller voices. You're usually in a gymnasium or an auditorium of some sort. And so this helps them have more sound without forcing their voices. So that's a good thing for everybody to hear. And it gives them some moral support with all of their peers standing there. I would not ever even consider putting a class of 20 students, primary kindergarten, 5, 6-year-olds on the stage in an auditorium in front of a full crowd to do a performance. It's scary. They're not going to sound good. It's just crazy to even consider. So I wouldn't even do that. Older students, maybe, depending on what they're doing, but not the younger ones. So when I have my students in my classroom, I start to line them up. I do shortest to tallest in 3 rows, and I take their picture. So I line them all up and it's okay, I'm going to take a picture, everybody. We're going to have a really good one and take their picture. I say, great, let's everybody do a silly one because they like to do that. And then I take the picture of them silly and then I put it away and then we go on with the rest of the class. After they're gone, at the end of the day, I sit down with my pictures and I write down the order that they're in. So we start practicing lineups, middle of November. In my classroom. By the end of November, I give that class lineup to the classroom teacher and say, would you please start lining them up in this order? And they start to come to music class in that order. By the time concert comes, they've got that order down and they come in and they already have got that down pat. When I get closer to the concert time, I start to combine classes. So I'll get a class to either come for the last 10 minutes of another class, or I combine them completely for 30 minutes and practice. So if I've got a group of 3 classes, I will combine class A and class B. Another day I'll combine, sorry, I have to wait for that. Okay, another day I'll combine class B and class, stop it. Psst. Sorry, I'm gonna talk, I'm gonna finish this. All right, I will combine class B and class C on another day, and then they get used to singing with a larger group than it's just them. And when they get to the concert day, they may have never ever had class A, B, and C all together at the same time. Oh my goodness. There we go. I think it's finished. But they will have been used to singing with another group. So that's one way of combining classes. All right, well, that's my 2 minutes for today. Okay, I'm done. Another day I'll come back and talk about something else for Christmas concert planning. In the meantime, have a great day making music. Make music a great part of your day. I'm going to get rid of this.